Hello friends, let's crochet together a granny square like this. Here is the pattern. And first of all, we make a magic loop and 3 chains. 1, 2, 3. Then we make 1 more chain and 3 double crochets. 1, 2, 3. A chain, 3 double crochets. 1, 2, 3. A chain, 3 double crochets. A chain, and we make 2 double crochets. 1, 2. Pull the thread and we make a slip stitch in the 3rd chain. Then we make a slip stitch in this little arch, and now we start the 2nd round. We make 2 chains, and this is our first double crochet, and then we make 4 chains. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then we make a double crochet in the next little arch. 4 chains and double crochet in the same arch. And this is the first corner. Then we make 4 chains, a double crochet in the next arch, 4 chains and a double crochet in the same arch. 1, 2, 3, 4 chains, a double crochet in the next arch. 1, 2, 3, 4, a double crochet in the same arch. And this is the 3rd corner. 1, 2, 3, 4, a double crochet in the next arch. And now we make 1, 2 chains, and then we make a double crochet in the 2nd chain, like this. And this is the 4th corner. Then we make 3 chains. This is a double crochet, and then we make 1, 2, 3 chains and 3 chains in the corner arch. Sorry, not chains, 3 double crochets in the corner arch. 1, 2, 3. Then we make a chain, and in this arch we make 5 double crochets. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. A chain, and in the corner arch we make 3 double crochets. 1, 2, 3, 3 chains and 3 double crochets in the same arch. 2, 3. A chain and 5 double crochets in the arch. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. A chain, 1, 2, 3 double crochets, 3 chains and 3 double crochets in the same arch. 2, 3. A chain, 5 double crochets, 5. A chain, and in the corner arch 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. A chain and 5 double crochets in this arch. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. A chain, and in the last arch we make 2 double crochets and a slip stitch in the 3rd chain. Then we make 2 slip stitch three chains, 1 chain more, and 3 double crochets in the arch. Then we make a chain, we pass 2 loops, and in the 3rd we make double crochet, another one in the arch, then we make 5 double crochets, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, a double crochet in the arch and 1 double crochet in the next loop. And we have 9 double crochets here. Then we make a chain and 3 double crochets in the corner arch. 1, 2, 3. 1 chain and 3 double crochets in the same arch. A chain and repeat in the 3rd loop. A double crochet, a double crochet in the arch, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, a double crochet in the arch and in the next loop. A chain and in the corner. 1, 2, 3, 1 chain, 1, 2, 3 double crochets in the arch and go on till the end of the round. In the last arch we make 2 double crochets and a slip stitch in the 3rd chain. Then we make a slip stitch in the arch and we start the new round. We make 2 chains. This is our first half double crochet. Then we make 3 chains more and a half double crochet in the same arch. Then we make a half double crochet in each loop. And in each arch. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, a half double crochet in the arch, 1, 2, 3, and make a corner, a half double crochet in the arch, 1, 2, 3 chains, a half double crochet in the arch, and go on, a half double crochet in each loop, and continue till the end of the round. In the end of the round we make a slip stitch in the 2nd chain and a slip stitch in the arch, and we start the last round. We make 1 chain. This is our first single crochet, and we make 2 single crochets in the arch. Then we make 1 single crochet in each loop. 1 loop, 1 single crochet. And we make 3 single crochets in the corner arch, and then go on 1 single crochet in each loop and continue till the end of the round. In the end of the round, we make a slip stitch in the first chain, pull the thread to the opposite side, make a chain and cut. We can hide the threads between the stitches, and our granny square is ready. Thank you for attention and have a nice day.